Hey science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy, and a couple weeks ago I went to Ernst Quarries in Bakersfield, California, and I found this really cool selenite. This selenite was so beautiful, I found it in some veins, so check out these videos of where I found this. Right in this little hole right here, we found a vein of selenite, which is an amazing mineral where we have this bed of gypsum underneath, and it pushes up this selenite into these cracks. So I'm gonna take this bigger one home and dust it off with a toothbrush and some water so we can see how beautiful this selenite's gonna be. Now that I have this selenite home, I did some research and I found out this variety of selenite is actually called Satin Spar. You can see the pattern going this way, which is way different than pure selenite, which has slabs going this way and they are clear. So selenite in its purest form is clear and it's very transparent. This one is more translucent and the light can go through it, but you can't really see images through it. So I thought that as I try to get off some of this dirt, I'm going to teach you a little bit about this selenite. Now you can see that I have a lot of mud caked on this stuff, but also this is made from the precipitates of the ocean, which makes gypsum. Gypsum is what makes selenite, and this variety of selenite is the Satin Spar. So let's see what we can find underneath all of this mud as I teach you a little bit about selenite. One more interesting thing about this is that you don't want to soak this in water because it is made out of salt and it will dissolve. So I have to be very careful as I clean this not to keep it in the water too long. Selenite versus Satin Spar is one of the most debated topics in the crystal community lately. Oh man. What is the difference between the two? So here it is. Selenite and Satin Spar are both varieties of the mineral gypsum. However, many say this is fake selenite because there is another variety of gypsum that is known to be true selenite. This true selenite is usually transparent, flaky, and flat. Satin Spar, on the other hand, has a silky, cat's eye appearance and won't be transparent at all until thinly sliced at right angles. Satin Spar can break off in chunks and selenite can flake off in layers. These Satin Spar specimens cleaned up really nice. I am so excited. Obviously, one of them broke off as I was cleaning it. Oh, chickens are on my table. But this was... Come on, come say hi. But these are great. Science is so amazing. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless. Bye-bye.